Good evening, all. Good evening, all. Welcome back to the class. So last class we discussed about two-dimensional array and syntax, and we wrote one example, and some of you, done the homework and already sent to me, and thank you. And today now we are going to see about a two-dimensional array. Yesterday we saw the example program of transpose of matrix, and some of you didn't understand completely the program, so that I'm going to explain today. So now we are going to see the class. So yesterday we saw the transpose of matrix. I didn't write the complete program, but anyway, I given to you work for to write, and only 2 or 3 of you sent to me, and I got corrected. Now I'm just going to write void main. I'm just starting from void main. C program I'm just starting, so that integer I for row and j for column, and then a of 3 of 3 rows and 3 columns. I for row and j for column, and 3 for row size and 3 for column size. So now I'm just writing printf. All the values should be an integer value, so that I'm just writing in the scanf I have to write %d. In the case here, enter the matrix. Enter the matrix. I'm just writing like that. I'm going to get the values of the matrix. So scanf. I need to get two-dimensional array, so that I'm just writing for I is equal to 0, because array index starting from 0, and the size of the array is I less than 3, and then it should be incremented by 1 and 1, and then for j is equal to 0, j less than 3, and then j plus plus. Hello, Assalamualaikum class. Zero. Okay, sorry for the interruption. J plus plus, and then I want to get the integer matrix. All the elements are integer, so that scanf. All the elements are integer, so that I'm just writing %d and address of a of I of j. These are the things as I already explained in the last class itself. Okay, I'm just closing. So this is the way I want to get an elements of the matrix. Okay, so it is the first part. What we are doing, we are just getting the two-dimensional array. We are getting the matrix values. So now I am going to print transpose as well as given matrix. So how can I printf given matrix. I'm just going to print the given matrix /n. Why? Because given matrix in text கீழ matrix உடைய elements எல்லாமே print ஆகும். So அதுக்காக நான் கொடுத்திருக்கிறது given matrix அப்படி நான் கொடுத்திருக்கேன். அதுக்கு கீழ matrix உடைய element வந்து 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 அப்படி print ஆகும். அதுக்காக நான் கொடுத்தது. So for I is equal to 0, the same category we are going to write, but a small change. I plus plus, and then for, why? Because we are using for, because we need to add one more statement, so that we are opening a braces. Here there is only one statement for both the loop, so that we didn't open any open brace and close brace. Okay, fine. Now j is equal to 0, j less than 3, and then J plus plus. Okay. Now the J loop consists of one printf statement. We are going to print the entire matrix. So percentage D, and then we are going to print the value of A, of I, of J. I'm just closing the bracket. This is the first statement of the outer for loop. And what is the next for loop? What is the next statement? That is printf percentage D / n. It is for, what is the purpose of the /n? If the matrix will be 1, 2, 3, next element should be in the next row. It is, if it is a 3 x 3 matrix, means it will not show be like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like that, not like that, so that we have to print here. So after 3, the next element should be in the next row, so that we are writing here /n. Okay, so this is a given matrix, and one more set we need to add. We didn't complete the program. I'm just converting the program into. I'm just writing. You just make it like that. You just complete it. Transpose of matrix. Transpose of matrix. Transpose of matrix. So what to change actually? We need to change just, instead of I, J. Instead of J, you have to write I. Ji. So I yesterday I asked one question. What is the question I asked? Why we are using J instead of I? So most of them didn't answer. 1 or 2. I think 3 students, they replied to the question. Kritika, Kirti, and then Rasina. And then Harita. One more, Magesh Prabhu wrote a program and sent to me. Okay, fine. Anyway, today arrivals. Who are the arrivals now? Gemini Mani, good evening. Diya Jay, good evening, sir. Ritu Vijay Kumar, new arrival. Ritu Vijay Kumar, good evening. Okay. And then who's the next? Okay, Ritu Vijay Kumar. And then who is the next? Yasreen. Okay. Magesh Prabhu, hi. Rasina Sifana, hi sir. Vasanti Chino, it is a new one. Good evening. Smuffy Blossom, hi sir. Allah, super sir. And then Sumaya, hello sir. Okay, fine. Anyway, welcome all, and hope you understand the program and hope you complete the program, right? Fine. Anyway, today we are going to see a new program, that is addition of 2 matrices. So that concept we are going to study today. Gemini Mani asking one question. That is, sir, I asked a doubt. What is your doubt? I think I forgot. Okay, fine. Just a minute. I will take your number and send you. Yeah. Okay. You asked actually, I didn't your question அப்படின்னா ஏன் அப்படின்னா என்ன கொஸ்டின் அப்படின்றதுன்னா ஜேஐஜேன்னு போடுறதுக்கு பதிலா ஏன் நாம ஜேஐ அப்படின்னு போடுறோம் அப்படின்றதுதான் என்னோட கொஸ்டின். சரியா? என்னோட கொஸ்டின், அந்த கொஸ்டினுக்கு நானே ஆன்சர் பண்ணிடுறேன் எதுக்காக நாம ஜே போடுறோம்னு. இப்போ உதாரணமா ஐயோட வேல்யூ என்ன இருக்கும் அப்படின்னா 0 இருக்கும். இங்க வந்து ஓகே இருக்கும். ஐயோட வேல்யூ 0, ஜேயோட வேல்யூ 0. ஸோ ஜே ஐன்னு வரும்போது 0 இருக்கிறது தான் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் பிரிண்ட் ஆகும். ஸோ 0 ஃபர்ஸ்ட் பொசிஷன், யூ நோ தட். இப்போ இந்த பொசிஷன் 0 இது 0 1 0 2 1 0 1 1 1 2 2 0 2 1 2 2 இதான் ஆக்சுவல் மேட்ரிக்ஸ்னு வச்சுக்கோங்க. If it is considered as an actual matrix, you just write like that 0 1. when it's coming to the 0 1 0 1 ன்னு வரும்போது என்ன ஆகும்? I யோட வேல்யூ 0, ஆனா j யோட வேல்யூ 1 ன்னு வரும்போது இங்க என்ன பிரிண்ட் ஆகும்னா 1 0 ன்னு பிரிண்ட் ஆகும். அப்படியே மாத்துறோம். 1 0 ன்னா எது? இதான் 1 0. அப்போ 1 ன்னு பிரிண்ட் ஆகிறதுக்கு பதிலா 0 1 ன்னு பிரிண்ட் ஆகிற இடத்துல, அதாவது 2 பிரிண்ட் ஆகிற இடத்துல 4 பிரிண்ட் ஆகும். We are exchanging the rows and columns. So what is the resultant matrix for this matrix? 1 4 7 2 5 8 3 6 9. You know very well about that. It is 0 0 and it is also 0 0. It is 1 0 1 and it is 1 0. It is 0 1 and it is 1 0. And this is what actually 0 2 and 7 is 2 0. இங்க இருக்கிற 2 0 எங்க வந்திருது? இங்க வந்திருது. And it is what? It is 1 0. இந்த 1 0 க்கு பதிலா இங்க வர்றது 0 1. 0 1 ல இங்க என்ன இருந்துச்சோ அது இங்க வந்திருக்கு. Okay, and then here it is 1 1. 1 1 it is in same place. And here it is what? It is 1 2. And 1 2 க்கு பதிலா வராது 2 1 வரும். 2 1 எது? இதான் 2 1. அது இங்க வந்திருக்கா? That's the thing. And then here it is 2 0. 2 0 இங்க இருக்குன்னா இந்த பக்கத்துல வரும்போது 0 2 ன்னு வரணும். 0 2 இங்க என்ன இருந்துச்சு? 3 இருந்துச்சு. It will be. And then here it is 1 2 1. 2 1 ன்னு இருக்கிற இடத்துல இங்க 1 2 வரணும். இங்க 1 2 என்ன இருக்கு? 1 ல 2. 1 ல 2 ன்றது 6 இங்க இருக்கா? As usual 9. That is 2 2 2 2 அப்படி இருக்கும். So instead of changing 0 1 0, instead of changing ij, we have to change ji. The row and column will be changed. You can get the transpose of matrix. இதுதான் உங்களுடைய क्वेश्चनக்கான எக்ஸ்பிளனேஷன். நேத்து क्वेश्चंस புரியலன்னு சொல்லிருந்தீங்க. நேத்து டவுட் கேளுங்க அப்படின்ற மாதிரி சொல்லியிருந்தோம். யாரும் டவுட் கேட்கல. Okay, fine. Anyway, that's right. Okay, today we are going to see the matrix. We are going to get the matrix. Okay, sure. அதுக்கு ஒரு சின்ன ஐடியா நான் கொடுக்குறேன். அதை நீங்க தான் பண்ண போறீங்க. You are going to complete the program. Okay. Okay, fine. How many matrix we needed? If we need to add 2 matrix means we need 2 matrix we needed. 2 matrix add பண்ணனும்னா எனக்கு எத்தனை matrix வேணும்? 2 matrix வேணும். So 2 matrix வேணும்னு சொல்றதுக்கு நீங்க செய்ய வேண்டிய விஷயம் என்னன்னா, you just add I for row and j for column. A of 3 of 3 ன்றது it is the first matrix, and moreover one more matrix is needed, that is B of 3 of 3. B of 3 of 3, it is a second matrix, and the next one resultant matrix, that is C of 3 of 3. You just make it like that. A of 3 of 3, it is the first matrix. B of 3 of 3, that is a second matrix, and C of 3 of 3, it is a resultant matrix, because we are going to add A matrix and B matrix, and resultant matrix are substituted into C. Okay, I am just giving an idea. You can easily get the value. You can easily get the program. First, what you did actually here, you did enter the first matrix. You just make it like that. A small change, you just make it. Enter the first matrix. Enter the first matrix. The same way you just write it like that. Printf. After this line, you just make it printf. Enter the second matrix. The same way you just write, instead of B, instead of A, you just write B here. Instead of A, you have to write B. So how many for loops we completed? This is the first set to get the first matrix, and second matrix for to get the second for loop, second set for to get the B matrix, and third also we need to use the for loop to add each and every element. ஒவ்வொரு எலிமெண்ட்டையும் ஆட் பண்றதுக்காக ஒரு for loop போடணும். அது வந்து for I is equal to 0, I less than 3, and then I plus plus. The same way you have to write for after getting the B, B வாங்குனதுக்கு அப்புறம் தான் இத எழுதணும். So J is equal to 0, J less than 3 and then J plus plus. Okay, J is equal J plus plus. Munacha. So you have to add now C of I of J is equal to A of I of J plus B of I of J. A of I of J plus B of I of J. You got it? C of I of J. அதாவது C of 0 0 ல இருக்கும் பொழுது C of 0 0 ல இருக்கும் பொழுது A of 0 ல உள்ள எலிமெண்ட்டையும் B of 0 0 ல உள்ள எலிமெண்ட்டையும் ஆட் பண்ணணும். ஆட் பண்ணி ரெண்டுல உள்ள சம்மை என்ன பண்ணணும்? C ல தூக்கி சப்ஸ்டிட்யூட் பண்ணணும். ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் இந்த இதுக்கு ஒரு சின்ன எக்ஸாம்பிள் ஒன்று தரேன். A ஓட மேட்ரிக்ஸ் வந்து 1 2 3 5 7 1 4 3 2. It is a A matrix. You just assume that. And B matrix is that is minus 1 0 minus 1 0 3 1 7 minus 3 and 7 11 3. Now just make it like that. So this is a position, this is 0 0 0 0 and then 0 1 0 0 of B matrix. We have to add both the matrix. It should be added and it should be stored into C of I of C of 0 of 0. C of 0 of 0 ன்றது என்ன? ரெண்டை ஆட் பண்ணா உங்களுக்கு என்ன கிடைக்கும்? 1 minus 1 ஆட் பண்ணா உங்களுக்கு கிடைக்கிறது 0 கிடைக்கும். So answer is first row 0. First row first column. Second we have to, J value will be incremented. So அப்ப 1 0 னு வரும். 1 0 இதுல உள்ள 1 0 வையும் இதுல உள்ள 1 0 ஆட் பண்ணா 2 plus 0. 1 0 ஏன் வருதுன்னு தெரியுதா? I யோட வேல்யூ 0 ஆ இருக்கும். I யோட வேல்யூ 0 ஆ இருக்கும் and J யோட வேல்யூ 1 ஆ இருக்கும். அப்படினா 0 1 இதுல உள்ள 0 1 ஐயும் இதுல உள்ள 0 1 ஐயும் ஆட் பண்றோம். ஆட் பண்ணும்போது 2 plus 0 you can get the value 2 and the J value once again incremented 0 2. 0 2 of first matrix, 0 2 of second matrix, just add 3 plus 3, that is 6. It will be stored into C of 0 of 0, sorry 0 of 2. And then after that J value will be false because it 1 2, here 1 2 is 1 and here 1 2 is minus 3. So 1 minus 3, that is minus 2. It will be like that. And J value will be incremented, that is 3 less than 3, the condition will be failed and then it will be come out of the loop and I again incremented, I is 2. 2 0. 2 0 is what here, that is 4. Here 2 0 is what? B of I of J, that is 7. 4 plus 7, that is 11. J value will be incremented, that is 2 1. What is 2 1 here? 3 and here 11. 11 plus 3, that is 14. 14 it will be stored into A of 2 of 1, 14. And then J will be incremented by 1, that is 2. 2 2. 2 2 is what? This one 2. And here 2 2 is 3. 2 plus 3, that is 5. Okay. Finally J value will be incremented. 3 less than 3, condition failed. Again it will become to I. 3 less than 3, condition failed and come out of the loop. The value stored into C of I of J. C of I of J la the value வந்து we store ஆயிடும். இது முடிஞ்சிருச்சா? இது முடிஞ்சதுக்கு அப்புறம் நாம செய்ய வேண்டியது A மேட்ரிக்ஸ் தனியா பிரிண்ட் பண்ணலாம், B மேட்ரிக்ஸ் தனியா பிரிண்ட் பண்ணலாம், இல்ல ரெண்டு மேட்ரிக்ஸையும் பிரிண்ட் பண்ணிட்டு ஃபைனல் சம்மையும் நாம என்ன பண்ணிக்கலாம்? தனியா பிரிண்ட் பண்ணிக்கலாம். அது யுவர் விஷ். பட் உங்களோட ஒர்க் நான் கொடுக்கிறது மேட்ரிக்ஸ் ஏ வாங்கணும், மேட்ரிக்ஸ் ஏ வாங்கியாச்சு, பி ஒன்று வாங்கணும், அது நீங்க எழுத வேண்டியது. ஆட் பண்றது எப்படின்றது நான் சொல்லி ப்ரொசீஜரை உங்களுக்கு சொல்லி தருந்தேன். I explained and finally I am just writing only one segment but you have to write 3 segment. Given matrix அதாவது A matrix என்ன அப்படினு தனியா ஒரு for loopல print பண்ணனும், B matrix என்னன்னு தனியா ஒரு for loopல print பண்ணனும் and resultant matrix என்னன்றது தனியா matrixல print பண்ணனும். நான் resultant matrix எப்படி print பண்றதுன்றத மட்டும் நான் எழுதுறேன். I am just writing for I is equal to 0, I less than 3, and then I plus plus. And you have to write open bracket and close bracket here. And here you have to open for j is equal to 0, j less than 3, and then j plus plus. I hope you are very well about nesting of loop and arrays, two-dimensional arrays. I hope you very well about that. So now we have to write printf. What we have to print actually? We have to print the resultant matrix. That is, resultant matrix is C of I of j. And finally, here you have to write printf /n. Okay, so in between that you have to write a matrix, given first given matrix, and then second matrix, and then you have to write resultant matrix. And VRJ is asking one question. /t is not given here. You can give here, or you can give any space, small space in between this D and this close double quotation. So here you can give /t, or otherwise you can give a small space to that. So that is the thing. Okay, fine. Anyway, any doubts so far? You just complete this program. This is the work of you. And any doubts so far? Kritika Kirti, you are coming late today. You are texting 7:43. Okay, fine. Anyway, Soundarya Ramasamy, good evening, sir. Good evening, newcomer Soundarya Ramasamy. Rasina Sifana, sir, not get a doubt to answer. What is the doubt? The doubt, no doubt. Rasina Sifana, you asked some doubt. Rest of you guys, you just complete the program. What you asked actually? Sir, எனக்கு ஜாவால எப்படி டிக்ளேர் பண்றது? As I already told you, right? Same way of the C and C++. Is there any other doubt so far? Okay, complete the progress, guys. So, shall I move to the next one? Okay, fine. Anyway, I'm just moving to the next one. I'm just erasing. Okay, complete this program. Don't forget. Why not using close bracket and open bracket in for loop? ஏற்கனவே சொல்லியாச்சு. ஏன் for loopல open bracket and close bracket யூஸ் பண்ணலன்னா, ஒரு for loopல ஒரே ஒரு ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட் தான் இருந்துச்சுன்னா நாம for loopல bracket, open bracket, close bracket யூஸ் பண்ண தேவையில்லை. If you are having bracket, if you are having your for loop consists of more than one line, means you have to use open bracket and close bracket. As we already saw in the program, scanf is the only one statement for both the for loop, for inner for loop and outer for loop. So both the for loop consist of only one statement, that is what? That is scanf. And moreover, I didn't give to the addition operation also, because it is only one statement. That is C of I of j is equal to A of I of j plus B of I of j. So that is a statement, so that we didn't give the statement. Okay, today's your work is subtraction of two matrix, and one more question I wrote here is what? There is try to write matrix multiplication and try to understand the concept also. That is your work. Okay, matrix multiplication, you know very well about that. Matrix multiplication is not like addition and subtraction, because in the category of matrix multiplication, the element should be multiplied like in the cross manner. We are doing with. So both the question you just try subtraction and multiplication of the matrix, and the subtraction is it is just like a addition of matrix, but multiplication of two matrices is completely different. There are so many for loops we have to but anyway it is a nesting of for loops. Only two for loops we are going to use, because it is a two-dimensional array, so that we have to use two for loops, one for outer and one for inner. So that is nested for loops, but the concept is different. So try to understand the concept of multiplication in your own, and then you just see the program in the browse in the net and see the program. Try to understand the concept. If you have any doubts, I will explain. But in the case of C programming and C++ programming, almost it is same, but in the Java it is completely different. So that we are going to split three classes, one for C, and another one for C++, and another one for Java. We are going to split the C completely in the differentiation, and C++ differentiation and Java's differentiation. Till now, we completely common for both C, C++ and Java. This is the common platform we traveled till now. So now we are reaching the common topic, end of the common topic. So we should split and we have to study separately each and every programming language because common topics are almost over. So I am expecting your opinion how we will make the class because you are the viewers and you are daily you are viewing and you are responding, you are supporting to this online session. So how can we make this session? Can we convert into 3 sessions per day or totally 7 days we are having? Okay, totally 7 days we are having. So shall we split into 3 timings or we will do like that 7 days, 2 days, 3 days, 2 days for one class and 2 days for C or 2 days for C++ and 2 days for Java. How can we make this? Because till now we completed 4 classes. Okay, almost basic concepts are common basic concepts are over for C, C++ and Java. So we split anyhow into 3. So how can we make 3 classes and 2 classes for C++? How can we split? So based on your response, based on the majority response, we will make the class like that. So otherwise, I mean there are 2 choices are there. Shall we conduct like per day 3? Okay, what is your answer, please? What can we do? So split it into 2 days. That is Rasina. What about Gemini Money? I would prefer second option. 2 classes, 2 classes, 2 classes. Can we make like that? Separate explanation, sir. Separate explanation, that is right. But my question is 3 classes per day or two classes per week. How can we make? Okay, fine. So decision is yours, and I'm just looking forward to your response. That is 3 classes per day, each and every day. A session for C, a session for C++, a session for Java. So can we make like that? Otherwise, we will make like 7 days split it into two. 1 day is free, 1 day is 1 day for any work like that. Shall we conduct like that? Okay, fine. Anyway, I am looking forward to your response. And till now, I am just completing my class. Thank you for your response. And today, so many newcomers are here today, and they attended. And nice to see you today. Okay. Anyway, second option, we will make 2 classes for C, 2 for C++ and 2 for Java. So these are the Dia J. my doubt, please. Two sessions for each. I mean, your week. 2 sessions per week. Diyaji, actually, what you are saying, two, for what? That is for week. 2 classes C, 2 classes Java, and 2 classes C++. Are you saying like that? And what is your doubt? 2 classes C, 2 classes Java. Okay, I'm just terminating my class now. So thank you for watching, and tomorrow we will decide what class it will be, and we will send the notification to the WhatsApp as well as in the YouTube channel too. You can see in the notification of YouTube. Okay, thank you for watching. Thank you.